guys, you're welcome once again to another video on how to make money online. Now today's video we are going to use this app. Now this particular app is going to help you to make money online by just walking. Yes, by walking, and you are going to earn a lot of money from this app. And it's not only working alone, you will be able to do some quizzes. Okay, quiz to earn. You'll be doing some quizzes to earn money, move to earn, refer to earn, and then check in to earn. So this is how this app is all about. So with all these four things, you'll be able to, if you are able to do any one of them or all of them, you are going to earn money daily. Okay, and then this form of money is going to be given to you in the form of CB, that is in the form of coins that you will be generating, and you can earn $5 daily, $5 daily, without doing anything, without any investment. This is what this app is going to be about. Now first of all, let me take you to the payment side. Now with this method, this app, the payment method that they are using is crypto. They are using crypto. So if you don't have Binance account, just check the description. I have the link there to just get Binance account. So if you just have any Binance or Trust Wallet account, you can just connect this app to your Trust Wallet or to your Binance account, and you are going to be paid through that platform. So after you have created your Binance account, you just come here to connect. Okay, so you just connect your wallet to this app, and you will be able to receive payment through Binance. Okay, so connect your wallet. So as you can see, there are a lot of wallets that you can connect on this platform. Okay, now so the mode of payment is through crypto, and you can use your Trust Wallet or Binance to receive your payment. That is that. Now let's move on. Next thing that I'll talk about is earn. Now when you get to the earn part, as you can see, now I have 870 CB. This is it. Okay, now the moment that I reached 5,000 CB, I'll be able to convert this 5,000 CB to USDT, and I will be able to earn 5 USDT, $5. Now these are some of the activities that you can do to earn. So we have newbie tax, and any of these tax that you are going to take will give you 400 CB. Now verify Telegram. If you decide to verify your Telegram and join their Telegram platform, you are going to earn 800 CBs. Verify this code and you are going to, and then you can just check in, and you also earn 20 CB. And then quiz to end. Every day you have some quizzes to answer, so you just answer all the questions and you'll be able to get 100 CB. And then move to earn is whereby, this is whereby it is easy, because every day we normally moves, so you just move to earn a lot of money. So get more CB, you can come here to get extra CB to earn. And then at this point here we have refer a friend. So at this point, if you want to join this platform to earn this free money that I'm talking about, just check the description. I'll pin the link of the app in the description. Just tap on it, download it, and start making money by just walking. So let me show you how you'll be able to make money by just walking. So you just here and move to earn. So you just click on get it, and as you can see, today I've claimed my CB. So you see I have to come tomorrow. You will see here start, you just click here to start, and then as you move on it will be counting for you. And then when you reach 3,000 steps, you are going to get 100 CB, and then 5,000 steps you are going to get 150 CB, and then 10,000 and above, you're going to get 200 CB. So getting 5,000 CB is very easy. You can even get it every day. So guys, this is one of the platform that you need to take advantage of. Just check the description and download this app. If you're using Play Store, if you're using Android, you can get it on Play Store, and if you are also using iPhone, you can also get it from the Apple Store. See you in the next video. Bye.